Introducing the Omron NE-U780 Ultrasonic Nebulizer with airflow and particle size control technology. It is equipped with a removable water tank, helping users to easily clean and disinfect after every use. Make sure the attachments are disinfected and dried clean before using, and get started by connecting the attachments. Attach the inhalation hose to the mouthpiece and the other end to the top of the medication cup. Connect the device to a power source. Pour clean water in the water tank to the level of the black sensor tip in the container. The water level sensor switch is off, indicating that you can proceed. Add the prescribed level of medication to the medication cup and close the cup cover. The medication cup cover sensor turns off once you get this right. Close the fan cover behind the machine to turn off the fan cover sensor. Check the filter for impurities. Change the filter if required or close it with the fan cover to proceed. The check filter sensor helps you to proceed. The device is ready to use when all the sensors are off. Set the time, prescribed amount of airflow, and nebulization rate by pressing the buttons placed on top. Start the device by pressing the Start-Stop button and ask the user to gently use the mouthpiece by taking normal regular breaths through the mouth so that the medicine can go deep into the lungs. The device stops automatically when the timer hits 0 and can be used up to 72 hours continuously. The innovative technology and design of the Omron NE-U780 Ultrasonic Nebulizer makes it a perfect choice for regular use in a medical environment.